but he's leaving. So this video is about, actually, we should make it about. You get my socks and shoes on because I don't stand for that one. Here, wait. Come over here. Ooh. Let me get my. She's not down at Betty's. Where is she? She's on the back porch. Yeah, for real. Cuckoo. But anyway, sorry. But anyway, this video is going to be about my toy bird, I guess. Little live pet. And okay, here she is. She is just a little parrot, I guess, thing. Look at her. Look at her. She will look you in the eye. Woo! Yeah. But you can open up the little gate, pull this back, Like I said, you open the cage up, cage up, and she's got a little swing that can actually come out. And you could have her cheese in there. You could have her cage in there if you would like. Woo! There's a food thing for food and water. They actually came out because, I don't know, Noah got a hold of it. Oh, Noah will be in the video now, since he really wants to. Okay, and it's just an empty cage with nothing in it. Except for the food bowl. When the food bowl's not in there, it's just empty. If you're wondering, yes, this is like a plastic, great stained glass. This is all open. It's all open mostly until this glass. The cage lock, the gate. This is the cutest toy actually ever. That looks like a little key that you can open for. Thing. You can actually hang her up. It's just cool, so cute. And we are going to be putting her back together. Oh yeah. Because there is actually, her cage actually put it back together. There's her food bowl. Here, this is actually a cool thing because there's a thing on the top. Yeah. That you can just swoop and then pull down. And then that will be it. And see these little things I see them. Okay. Well, I'll have to take this out for a second. Wait, no, I won't have to. Here, hold this, Noah. From the back. Okay. But anyway, hold it up more. Alright, see those little tiny things? They come they're like for foots. Well, the back of her feet actually go in there. She's like a cock of the rock. And then her feet would just slide in there, and then there she goes, first swinging on her little swing. You can actually close that. It's like a little metal thing.
Aren't you lock the door?
And then you lock it. And then there's a little place for her to breathe and come out.
So where's her food?
Like that.
Where's the food?
That's mostly all I wanted to show you. And
I want to show them something.
Well, don't worry about what he's showing you guys. But anyway, that was what I needed to show you guys. Bye now for long. Sorry this was so long, but bye.